driving and still don't even know how to drive. This is your burner come up. This is dropping off the second order of the day. We have 10 orders in total. Right now I'm about to drop off my next one. Easy day, you know, this is all the route that I have right now. It is January the 18th of 2023. It is 12:45 in the afternoon. Third day working as a capsule bike courier, delivering medicine to all people all around Brooklyn and Manhattan, Bronx, but I'm working in Brooklyn, but there's other people out there who are doing the same thing, but they're located in different boroughs. I have 10 orders. I just finished dropping off like 4 of them, so we have 6 left. So it's a good day. I'm feeling good and I feel pumped. I feel excited because, you know, like I got this job. You know, we're back on doing deliveries, but this time we're delivering something light, which is medicine. I feel a lot better because if you guys know, if you guys been following this channel, at the beginning I used to work at a liquor store and we used to deliver wine, and the whole bag will be packed and full and heavy, so it will kind of be hard for me to deliver because, you know, like all that weight, and on top of that it'll hurt your back. But over time, you know, like you get used to it, but still, you know what I mean, like that was tough. But you guys already know we make your excuses. Right now the bag is full, as you guys can see. I got Rarri in the car looking all beautiful. I'm about to go drop off the other orders and then go back to the base at 2 o'clock. I hope everyone's out there killing it, doing what you gotta do. I'm gonna do a bike check really quick for you guys and sit back and enjoy the ride. So starting up from the top, as you guys already know, this is my beautiful track bike, looking all beautiful with the VVs, campy, wide bars. I love this bike, man. Like, this bike is beautiful and it's a gift from the bro Mishka. Shout out to Mishka. Anyways, let's get to it. I got the rear Envy with the DT Swiss hub, looking all good. I got the 14 cog. I have this nice specialized saddle, carbon C-post, and I have Chanelli size 56 in red. She a bit dirty, I gotta clean her up. I got the Campy 165 because, you know, if you want to ride like in the streets and, like, you know, do all those nice sharp turns, you want to have smaller crank arms instead of having the big ones, so that way you don't have to worry about if your pedal is scraping the ground. That happened to me one time. I don't know about you guys, but you feel me? Comment down below which one is your favorite, 165 or 175. I personally like 165. So yeah, 48-14 for those of you who are asking. 48-14 on the Chanelli Shark, size 56. And I have the front VVs with the DT Swiss hub in the front, radial lace, as you guys can see. I got this nice Kilua sticker that I put on myself. We got this nice Space Age bottle holder, pretty dope. I got my nice tuned water bottle, the vibes. I won that alley cap, and we got the wide bars. For those of you who are asking how wide are my bars, I ride 780. Look at this. How big is this? Like, this is so massive. Honestly, sometimes I be thinking to myself like, damn, I ride too wide, but I mean, I feel comfortable and I like it. So yeah, got this nice bell. Got this nice front light. For those of you who are asking, this is a 700 looms Bontrager. It's pretty bright for those of you who are out there, you know, riding in the nighttime in the forest or in the woods. Get the 700. I want to get the 1000 looms so that way it could be super bright whenever I'm riding in dark places. Got this other front light. I have 2 lights. I have 2 front lights so that way it could be bright. Got this nice wide bars. These are from Zero Tolerance Construction for those of you who want to buy the same bars that I have. Got this nice lizard skin, red and black bar tape, pretty nice. Comment down below, what should I do next? Should I put them both red or both black? I'm thinking about going both black because, as you guys can see, it gets dirty pretty quick. So the top 2 protector for Fan Fixie. Shout out to Fan Fixie and shout out to Sammy for the hookups. Got this nice backlight and heart. It's called Heart Throb. And for last but not least, the special touch, we got this nice Jita, all beautiful. And yeah guys, this is my bike. I got this nice Thompson stem with the purple top cap. And I know you guys been telling me, oh, I should cut down the fork, too many spaces, but honestly I like it like that because, you know, I feel comfortable, and I'll probably slam it down later in the future, but for now I like it like that. So yeah guys, that's my bike check. I hope you guys, you know, liked it. Honestly, I love this bike and it means a lot to me because, you know, Mr. gave it to me and it's been through a lot. Like, I just love this bike, honestly. Like, and honestly, just waiting to save up so that I could get the Cervelo T4, and it's gonna be crazy. So hopefully by the end of this year or by summer, I should be able to have the Cervelo T4. We gotta keep grinding, keep working hard no matter what. So yeah guys, enough talking. It's 12:52. Let's go drop off the next orders and continue with the day. Probably go to the city, who knows. You guys already know we get into a lot of shit, so we probably go ride with the boys. I don't know yet. So yeah guys, I hope you guys are out there killing it, doing what you gotta do, feel me? Remember, chase your dreams, never give up. Whatever you guys see me do not do, because, you know, this is honestly professional. Like, you guys have to have like experience, you know, like to be able to be doing stuff like that, because, you know, it takes time. I am the first time I've ridden a bike, but yeah, that's on a different video. Anyways, enough talking. Like I said, let's go drop off these orders and enjoy this video. So sit back and I'm gonna strap you guys on. Enjoy the ride. Get out of here, boys. She tipped me $3. Let's go. Gonna drop it off the last order. It is 1:25 in the afternoon, and I feel great. That was pretty light. Right now, I'm about to go back to the base. I have to be there at 2 o'clock and then pick up another batch and finish by 4 o'clock. So yeah, guys, sit back. And right now, I'm about to go get some food at Popeyes by the base because it is legit across the street. So I'm gonna go get some Popeyes. Probably get a chicken sandwich and some fries, and go out for a few, and then so I could get some energy because right now I feel dead. But anyways, we outside. I got my iced tea. You guys know the vibes. Anyways, I'm gonna strap you guys on and enjoy the ride. Thank you. What is up, y'all? We're at the last order of the day. It's 3:48, legit the last order of the day, and I can't wait to go clock out. I didn't film that much because I was trying to finish this on time. As you can see, I'm 10 minutes before 4 o'clock dropping up this order. So yeah, I'm gonna strap you guys on and do the ride. Alright boys, there you guys have it. Just gonna dropping off the last order. It's 3:57 in the afternoon.